Hey, how y'all doing today? We're back and we're talking about not guilty. We're talking about that new circle, not guilty. That circle, returning souls. We say peace, shalom, and we say assalamu alaikum. We say salam. That's the best. Just say salam. You put it all together. Salam. Say salam, 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 salam. That means you have the power within you to give peace. Okay? You become the instrument of what they call that special power. So say salam. So I say salam to you. Anyway, we're gonna go into the teachings of the HTM because these are our family, tribal family from Abraham. This is coming from the creation. It's called El Khalik, the creation. Turn this here this way so you see. I can kind of see a little bit. There you go. Okay, so it says, begin all acts and thinking by using El Kolun, which means the all. This is tablet 1. It reads epic and creation and before. Epic of creation and before is 19 is 19 sentences times 6, which is 114 sentences that I'm going to read to you. Okay, so it says, lo, my children, allow me to speak with you, for it is that time again, every 25,000 years, for the renewal of your way of life. This way of life is called Nawabu. So let me speak to you of the beginnings, plural, of life before and after the knowledge bestowed upon you of your very own creation and the making of this planet called Earth, and the many other planets of which you have no knowledge. 2. Your soul is that emotionally you. It is about to embark upon a journey through time and space within existence, through a time not yet concerned by Bihamu, the human beasts and the human beings and the children of the Elohim. Within the confines of the holy tablet, you shall embark upon the knowledge that has never before been made as clear as this for you by any. Number 4, let me start by telling you of beings that existed trillions of earth years ago, long before you, before human beings were created in the physical form, upon the planet Earth, called Tamat, now called Earth. There existed 5. There existed supreme beings of pure green light and sub-supreme beings of amber light. You cannot fully comprehend their beginnings because their time zone is much greater than your ability to comprehend at this time. Yet, this very tablet, which you are listening to, will opening your eyes to the time zones in and beyond space. 6. The supreme beings called Anunnaki, those who way of life was called Nawabu, was endowed by El Kolun, the All, with a superior overstanding 720 degrees in all. Number 7. Glory be to the one appointed who is called in tones Anu, and on earth El Elo, known to many by different titles, the best of which to you is Allah. Know that eventually the time will come when those supreme beings who have to descend upon the planet Earth in order to guide the inhabitants back towards their home in and beyond the stars. Number 9, thereby helping them to become once again the supreme beings of the pure green light that they once were of. But first, one must be sent to prepare a way and that one is myself. 10. And so it was. For once humans became rulers over the planet Earth, you gradually forgot that your purpose in life was to gain your way back towards the sustainer, which would be the token home. But instead, you became engrossed in your own desires. While in pursuit of physical gratifications and material gain, humans forgot the purity which they were formed. 12. As a result, you have strayed from your original ways of the universe and the spiritual path that led you to your true destiny, which is universal knowledge, wisdom, understanding, and right reasoning, called Nuwabu. 13. Nuwabu informs you that there are three creations. 14. Original or primary creation, evolutionary or secondary, and ghostational or tertiary creation. 15. Primary creation was formed by nine ether, whose science is Nuwabu. 16. Nine ether is the combination of all existing gases of nature. Nothing anywhere can be as powerful as all existing gases. 17. Therefore, nine ether is the most potent power in all the boundless universes. Hence, nine ether is the original creator who grew all the universes. 18. Creation means growth into form or system, and destruction means change in form or composition. 19. Nine ether is conscious and conscience gases. The Melanites came along with original creation. That is the same kind of ether forces that grew the universe. 20. Therefore, the Melanites and the evolutionary descendants are the personification of the original creative forces. 21. Simply, the Melanites created the universe in their etheric form. 22. Nine ether then personified themselves as flesh and blood beings. 23. There are two kinds of ether: nine ether and six ether. Nine ether produce six ether, and six ether produce ghost. 24. Nine ether will become six ether through time and age. Six ether becomes ghost through time and age. Six ether is nine ether in death, and ghost is the death of six ether. After the death of six ether, nine ether resurrects again. 27. Six ether is the moon, and the moon ether is the sun. Hence, six ether is averse to nine ether, just as death is averse to life. All this takes place within the all. 29. It was then that the true force of the universe personified those supreme beings. 30. The original Melanites, personifying by both sound and electric energy. 31. Both positive and negative. Electro being negative and magnetic being positive. Light or the Illuminati being electro and the light spectrum being magnesium. The cosmic ray for emerald being cipher 1 nanometer or nana equal the deity sin, meter equal mother or mater, in tone matari, meaning matter or material form, to 99,000 miles. Light is defined by wavelengths. You have cosmic rays being the shortest and the longest being electric power. 34. Between the two are gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet light rays, infrared light rays, microwaves, television waves, radio waves, and electric power. Television waves and radio waves are forms of light laser. 36. There is also the visible spectrum, which runs from 400 nanometers to 700 in wavelength. Nanometers meaning being nana, the deity sin, and meter. 37. With all light flowing through a prism, it becomes 6 colors: yellow, blue, red, green, orange, and purple. Light is the spheric form, is at its atomic level. 38. When you see the full spectrum light in its physical state, it manifests as blackness. This is all light and color combined are blackness. And the manifestation of the solid form of light is melanin. 39. Thus, they manifest from the great circle and throne of wisdom to this meager place. 40. This is how the events of creation and procreation were recorded. When life existed in and beyond the stars, the all is, was, and will be. We have read Alcoholic 1 through 40, and we will continue this in the next section. Not guilty.